Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another vlog. And, well, we're still in, I was going to say sunny Florida, but it's not so sunny anymore. We have thunderstorms on the forecast for 10 o'clock, so just after I'm supposed to get back to the track for the Rolex 24, or technically the Roar before the 24, which is the week before. It's going to be a shorter day today. Getting to the track for around 9:15, racing's done by 4, so it should be a pretty good day. Not too toll intensive. Yesterday was brutal. Yesterday was super busy, super tiring, so today I'm ready just to take it chill, easy day, short day, and get it done and be able to relax a little bit. So, let's go. Well, our weather's looking a little bit more ominous now. I've got to say, this is really a lot of fun. I'm really enjoying this. Really enjoying this.
Best time is in 2:01.79. Series very strong. She's from Ottawa. Comes out of
Alright, well, I figured I'd just check in while I have a minute. Rain finally stopped. We got a practice session of Michelin Pilot Challenge done. Thankfully, the spray off the cars was pretty cool, especially when I got those head-on shots with them carrying speed. That was pretty awesome. Yeah, it's good to have rain to get different circumstances for photos. Not so great when you're soaking wet. Clouds still look pretty dark and gray around, so I'm not ruling out more rain just yet. But hopefully it stays away for a little while at least. You never know though. Next up is the postponed Weathertech session. So that will be running from noon till 1 now. There was supposed to be a 1-hour break. Now there's not. So I'm gonna go ahead, try to head to a different angle to try to get some photos. And then we'll be heading for the VP Racing Challenge. I think that's what it's called. Whatever it's called. And we're starting to get more raindrops now. It's time for me to gear back up again. Hooray. All right, and there we go. Just like that, the day is done. It is 4:20 right now, and we are leaving the track. So much better than yesterday when we left at like 8:30, 9 o'clock. And yeah, sorry I didn't update again between Weathertech session, practice session, and the last one. We got absolutely dumped on again. I got absolutely soaked, like everything was soaked through, other than my jacket because it was waterproof. Pants, not so much. Shoes, not so much. So I had to quickly dry off while the session ended, and then the VP Racing Challenge was starting. So had to rush out for that. So I didn't really have any time. And then it was the final session, which I only really hung around in the garages for because it was only bronze and something else drivers. So there wasn't a whole lot of cars on the track. Most of them were torn apart in the garage. So hung around in the garage, took some photos in there, which I'm sure you saw. And now we're done for the day. Time to head back to the hotel, sort through some photos, edit a few, and then call it a night.